Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices. Enable USB debugging or set USB to file transfer on the phone and install necessary drivers or the vendor app on the laptop. Once done, choose your connection method. USB gives speed, Bluetooth is wireless but slower, Wi-Fi with ADB or FTP offers flexibility. Make sure cables are good and battery is above 20% to avoid interruptions. Now plug in or start the laptop's Bluetooth/Wi-Fi scan and move to pairing or service setup immediately. Next, configure the transfer service so data flows correctly. For USB PIC file transfer, MTP or PTP for photos, this mounts storage on the laptop. If using Bluetooth, discover and pair the devices, accept the PIN, and enable OBEX/FTP file sharing so folders appear. For Wi-Fi, enable ADB over network or run an FTP/SFTP app on the phone and note the IP port. Then connect from the laptop with a client. Make sure firewalls allow the chosen port and authentication is. Finally, confirm the phone shows up in File Explorer, Finder, Bluetooth devices, or your FTP client. That proves the link is active. Transfer using drag and drop for small files, or use a DB pull, rsync, or an FTP client for large batches to preserve integrity. Once complete, safely eject or unmount the phone before disconnecting. If something goes wrong, restart both devices, switch USB ports or cables, reinstall drivers, and temporarily disable firewalls. These quick steps resolve most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.